FeatureCam is allowed to create other things that otherwise were just kind of a dream.
The Power Maker has made us a lot of money. It's been a tremendous success.
I haven't yet found something that works as well as PowerShape to be able to manipulate surface data.
They have a great product, and we're happy to use anything that we need to with them.
I try to not to fit the mold of the typical custom bike builder. Essentially what FeatureCam's done is allow me to visualize better what's here and get it to where I can look at it as a solid form. It also has drastically reduced the amount of time it takes me to make a part. I can go from a concept to a finished part in one afternoon now, whereas it used to take me several days.
We take life-size art and enlarge it to 25, 30 feet tall. Power Mill, PowerShape, and EASTEC are really crucial. Power Mill is very fast and very efficient at machining the tool paths, and PowerShape is really easy to use and very powerful tool for surface creation. And EASTEC is, what can you say about EASTEC? It does something that nobody else even can think of to do. Without Delcam, we would not be able to do what we do.
We tend to take some of the harder, more difficult jobs that other companies don't like. A job that's a difficult material or a difficult tolerancing, and finding a way to make it affordable. And we've really found that Power Maker had the complete package that we needed. We have a wide variety of people that work in our shop that program, some that have been around for 20, 30 years, and we have newer, younger guys that are more familiar with computers. It gave us the flexibility to be able to meet our customers' demands.
With this position here at Moscow Mills, we are expected to make our own parts as far as using the software, programming our own parts. I knew what I wanted to do as far as a programmer, but I just how to make FeatureCam do it. And then once I got the hang of it through Delcam University, then it became really easy, actually. I like the pre-test. I could use that, see what I didn't understand, and then kind of look for that as I go through the module. That's kind of how I learned. And then using it at the same time.
We designed the induction systems for race teams and engine builders throughout the world.
We use PowerShape, and we also use Power Mill from Delcam. PowerShape has got a great, powerful surfacing engine. Power Mill sees models when it's creating a tool path. I have never had this thing interfere. I don't have any problem putting one of these in the machines, and I can be confident that it'll cut the port correctly the first time.
Right here is a part, it's running currently in the machine behind us. This part would be very difficult to do without the help of Part Maker. I really had no expertise prior to Part Maker going into this. The training at Part Maker was fantastic. They did a great job. It was one-on-one almost, small classes, very good teachers. Had a great time. It was actually fun. I enjoyed training.
We make automated test equipment. We have a good reputation out in the interconnect world for an outstanding product because it just doesn't wear out. We started using FeatureCam in 2001. It really cuts your programming time down, and that's what you're looking to do, cut your time down to get the product to the door. And FeatureCam makes that easy to do.
PowerShape and Power Mill, the sky's the limit with them. You can get as creative as you want. PowerShape and Power Mill work hand in hand. Whatever I do in PowerShape, we bring it right into Power Mill with no data loss. We get every detail that we create in PowerShape into Power Mill. We'd love to get into a lot more of the Delcam products, whether it's the Power Inspect or even into the ArtCam or any other type of product with Delcam.
The engineering of the parts have become so specific and so tightly toleranced. Here at Acera, we make industrial components, racing car components, and medical components. In the past, you've been limited by machines, but now with Part Maker, you're only limited by your imagination now.
Delcam's been really good to us. Their support's been great. There's no technology exists that we could buy that would replace what Delcam offers.